Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by placing the cursor in the text that already has the style you want. Click the Home tab and press Format Painter once to copy that exact formatting. This lets you paint one block. If you will apply it to several places, double-click Format Painter to lock it on so you don't repeat the click. Once done, move directly to the target text. Make sure to watch the cursor change to a paintbrush icon before you apply the style. You now transfer the style. Highlight the exact text you want reformatted, or click a paragraph to apply whole paragraph formatting. If you locked Format Painter, drag across each target range in turn. The paintbrush cursor shows it is active. Make sure to include adjacent punctuation or spacing if you want those attributes copied. Once you finish the last selection, press ESC to exit the locked mode, or simply click the Format Painter button again to turn it off. You finish by stopping the painter. A single use ends automatically after one application. A locked painter ends when you press ESC or click the button again. If formatting looks wrong, clear formatting on the target and reapply, because direct overrides can conflict with styles. If fonts or spacing still mismatch, check the document's style definitions versus local formatting. Make changes there and reapply the Format Painter to ensure consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.